How to brighten a dark video in CapCut. So if your video footage is dark and hard to see, I'll show you a couple of ways on how to go and lighten up the footage. Now first, select your video clip in the timeline. Over in the top right hand side, click on Adjust and then select Curves. Now here you'll find the luminance, which is essentially the brightness of your video. So what you can do is place your mouse cursor around about quarter of the way on this line, and then you can just move it up slightly. You can then move your mouse cursor to about the halfway point, and we're also going to do the same thing again. Now finally come over to the 3/4 point, and we're also going to bring this up slightly as well. Now obviously you can play around with these to find what works best for you. Now once you've done this, you can also click on the Basic tab. You can then scroll down, and right here you'll have this lightness column. So obviously you can also go and increase the exposure. So I'm going to put mine up to around about 10. You may also want to increase the highlights as well. Sometimes this can make your footage appear lighter. You may also want to increase the shadows as well. And like I said, you can just play around with these values to find what works best for your video footage. So as you can see now, my video already looks much brighter, and that's how to lighten up your video footage in CapCut.